Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to download SQL Developer software and install it. First, open the browser. Open google.com. In the Google search bar, I'm typing SQL Developer download. I want to download SQL Developer software. So SQL Developer download, I'm typing in the search bar. So this SQL Developer software is product of Oracle company. So it is available in Oracle website. So the first link, Oracle website link it is giving. Click on this first link. So SQL Developer software is available for different platforms here. In my system, I am using Windows 64-bit operating system. So I want to download this software. And this SQL Developer is available for other platforms like Mac, for Linux. Okay. So I am downloading this Windows 64-bit SQL Developer software. Just click on download here. It is asking license agreement. Just check this box. Select this option. Then click on download. Now this software is available in the form of zip file. So I'm clicking on download SQL Developer. Now we want to download this software. The software is available in one zip file. So to download this software, Oracle account is required. If you have Oracle account, directly type username and password. If you don't have Oracle account, just click on create account. Fill the form, create one account. After that, enter username and password. Just like you are creating Facebook account or Google account, in the same way, here we are creating Oracle account here. After creating this Oracle account, enter username and password. So I'm entering my username and password here. Just click on sign in, then it downloads the software. Click on sign in, it downloads the software now. Here it is downloading the zip file. So here it is downloading the zip file now. So when we download it, only we will get one zip file. So with that, downloading will be finished. To install it, extract that zip file. Observe here, software is downloaded. The software downloaded in default downloads location. So I'm going to there. In the default downloads, there is SQL Developer software is available. Zip file is downloaded. This zip file I want to extract to C drive. So just right click on the zip file is having one folder, SQL Developer folder. this SQL developer folder I want to get in the C drive. So in this zip file, SQL developer folder is there. In the SQL developer folder, SQL developer application file is there. So to use that, extract this zip file. I want to extract it to the C drive. So right click on this zip file, select extract files option. Where we want to extract to the C drive. So select C drive here. Select C drive. Then click on OK button. Do you want to allow? Yes. So now it is extracting. So this extracting the zip file is software installation. That's it. So first we downloaded SQL developer software. So we got one zip file. This extracting zip file is software installation here. So now zip file is extracted, means we got the software in C drive. Observe, open C drive. The C drive SQL developer folder is there. So this folder was in zip file that we extracted here. Open it. Open this SQL developer. In that again, one application file is there. Observe, this is a SQL developer application file. So this file frequently we want to use. So I want to put shortcut for this. I want to put it on taskbar here. On taskbar, I want to place it. So right click on this SQL developer application file. Click on pin to taskbar. So we are getting shortcut here on taskbar. Or otherwise, if you want to put icon on desktop, right click on it, send to, select send to option, select desktop, create shortcut. Shortcut is created on desktop here. Just open it. It is opening SQL developer. So SQL developer software, after installing, we extracted. Then I opened SQL developer here. I want to create a new connection now. So to create the new connection, here connections option is there. Here plus symbol is there. Observe. After opening SQL developer, click on plus. So new connection we want. So plus means new connection. So click on plus. It is asking connection details here. Connection details it is asking. Enter any connection name here. Enter any connection name. Any name you can give. Okay. So I'm giving some name here. I'm giving some name as my connection. My connection I'm giving. Give the username. You can give any Oracle username and password. Okay, if database administrator, username is system. At the time of Oracle installation, you have given some password, enter that password. Or otherwise, if you want to log in as a user, that user ID and password also we can give. So I want to log in as a user. So I'm using C ## batch 8 PM as the username, and its password I'm giving. So this user is already created in my Oracle database. So that username and password details I'm giving. And Oracle software is installed in the same machine. So I'm giving host name as localhost. So in the same machine, if Oracle database software is installed, use the host name as localhost. And default port number 1521, same I'm using. Here give the service name. How to know this service name? Press Windows R. In the run dialog box, type services.msc. So it is displaying many services to us. It is displaying services. So Windows services it is displaying. In the services, Oracle related services are there. To see that in the keyboard, press O key in the keyboard. So Oracle related services are there. Observe. These are Oracle related services. In that Oracle service is there. And beside of this Oracle service name is there. This ORCL is the service name. ORCL is the service name. So this service name I am entering here. In my system, service name is ORCL. So now, after giving all details, all these details are correct or not, I want to check. So for that, test button is there. When you click on text button, if it is displaying status as success, we can connect. If it is giving error, we need to check our details here. So I'm clicking on test here, and here it displays the status. I'm clicking on test. So now test is succeeded. Status is it is displaying as success. So just click on connect. Now it will be connected to the Oracle database. Here we need to type the queries. So here observe here my connection is the connection name. So in that, see, different options are there like tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions. So in that user, I already created some tables. The tables list it is displaying. In that user, I already created some procedures. That procedures list it is displaying. Like this. Okay, so now I want to create a new table here. I want to create a new table with the name employee. I want to create a new table with the name employee. If any table is there with the name employee, I want to drop that one. So drop table employee. So to run this query, I'm clicking on run statement. Run statement here. This is run option or shortcut control enter. So just click on this button. So now no table is there with that name. So I'm creating a new table with the name employee here. So I'm writing like this, create table. Table name I'm giving as employee. First field name employee number. Number data type I'm giving. Second field name ename. Varchar 2 data type I'm giving. Third field name salary. Number data type. Precision I'm giving as 8. Scale I'm giving as 2. Bracket close. So this is the create query. We are creating one table with the name employee. Okay. So just click on run. Now, just a minute. Yes, table is created. Table employee is created. Table employee is created. Okay. So this was previous output. If you want to clear that one, you can clear like this. Clear means everything will be cleared. So which is in the output, everything will be cleared here. So this is the way of creating the table. So now table is created. I want to insert the records into this table. So to insert the records into this table, write the insert query like this. Insert into table name is employee values. With the values here, I'm giving employee number as 1001. Some name I'm giving and salary. So one more record I want to insert. Another insert query I'm writing. Insert into employee values 1002. Some name I'm giving. Salary I'm giving. I want to execute these two insert queries. So select these two insert queries here. Then click on run. So now two rows are inserted. Observe. Okay. And I want to save these actions. So commit. Commit means it saves the actions. It saves these records in the table. After that, I want to open and see the table data. So select star from table name is employee. Okay. Select this query and run. So it is displaying the employee table data. Observe here. So in this way, we can create the table. So this is the way of creating the table. So this is about how to install, how to download and install SQL Developer software and how to write the queries in SQL Developer.